channel, well, broskies, we're gonna make some brown rice. If you never had them and never died of alcohol poisoning, you must have this. You have to. So, how to cook this is 90-second microwave, it says. We're gonna go get a bowl. Well, I can't seem to find it. There. So, we get that. And we just have to wait. Put that in. The Icelandic food's super good, though. Then we put in the microwave. 90 seconds, which is about, stop, 1:30. Yeah, there. So, by the meantime, we're just gonna wait and just wait. Yes, this apple is quite tasty. This is basically my house. Yeah, Iceland's pretty fun. And just living my life in Iceland. Yes, eating brown rice because I have nothing better to do. And, nothing really. Also, don't mind all the English you hear. I definitely live in Iceland. Not Kentucky. Not definitely Kentucky, obviously. So, about 30 seconds left, as you can see here. And after that, the video is going to end, and we're just going to eat it. And that's the video done. So, please subscribe and like to the channel, and if you can do the notification bell, I don't know if that works. If I can figure out how to do the comments, and it's done. Good boy.